Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're tackling how to use the Oxygen virtual card in 2025. If you're into digital banking, this virtual card is a game changer for secure online shopping, contactless payments, and managing your finances on the go. Let's dive right in. First off, what exactly is the Oxygen virtual card? It's a digital debit card provided by the Oxygen banking app, designed for 2025 with enhanced security features like biometric authentication and real-time fraud detection. It's perfect for anyone wanting to avoid carrying physical cards or dealing with cash. To get started, download the Oxygen app from your device's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android. Once installed, open the app and sign up using your email, phone number, and a secure password. If you're already a user, just log in to your account. Next, head to the Cards section in the app. Here, you can easily generate a new virtual card with a few taps. Customize it if you want, like setting a spending limit or expiration date for added security. Don't forget to link it to your bank account or add funds directly through the app. This is crucial for making it functional. Now, using your virtual card is straightforward. For online purchases, simply enter the card details provided in the app, just like you would with a physical card. You can also add it to your digital wallet for seamless contactless payments at stores. Keep an eye on your transactions by checking the app's dashboard. It updates in real time, helping you stay on top of your budget. A few pro tips for 2025. Always enable two-factor authentication, use the app's built-in VPN for secure transactions, and monitor for any suspicious activity. This will keep your money safe in an increasingly digital world. There you have it. A simple guide to mastering the Oxygen virtual card. It's a must-try for modern banking. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.